चलिए रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी पर न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते हैं। न्यूमेरिकल है हमारे पास में द डबल गियर shown rolls on the stationary lower rack. The velocity of its center A is 1.2 meter per second directed to the right. Determine the angular velocity of the gear. The velocity of the upper rack R and of point D of the gear. Means velocity हमें B और velocity we have to find out point B and point D and angular velocity of gear. Okay, so here we are going to solve through the relative velocity method. So देखिए रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी में क्या होता है, जैसे हमारे पास कोई एक पॉइंट गिवन है, पॉइंट ये दिया है ए, ये पॉइंट बी गिवन है और ये किसी ओरिजिन के अबाउट, जैसे ये एक्स एक्सिस हो गई, ये वाई एक्सिस है हमारी, ये ओरिजिन है, इसकी वेलोसिटी ये एक वेलोसिटी वेक्टर ये है हमारे पास, वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए अबाउट ओ, दिस इज वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी about A and this is the velocity of B about O. देखिए जैसे हमें velocity of B निकालनी है, अगर about O निकालनी है तो that will be the position vector from O to B, velocity of B about O, that will be the summation of velocity of this plus this is position vector of OA plus AB is equal to OB. So we can also write like OB is equal to OA plus AB. We can also write like velocity of BO is equal to VOA plus velocity of BA. Sometimes generally we are not writing the origin, so we can also write like velocity of B plus equal to velocity of A plus velocity of BA. In that way also we can write the velocity. So here we are having the numerical in which this is the compound gear, the one gear is mounted over the other gear. One is having the radius is 100 mm, other one is having the radius is 150 mm. So R1 is equal to 150 mm is equal to 0.15 meter. R2 is equal to 100 mm is equal to 0.10 meter. So and V is also given 1.2 meter per second. So first of all we are going to calculate the velocity of R. See, point R is on the rack, upper rack, and this is the rigid body. See, then the velocity of the all the points over this rack will be the same. So velocity of R is equal to velocity of B. See, if it is moving this direction, then we can also write, since velocity of R is equal to velocity of B, then if we are in the perpendicular distance over this, if this rack is stationary and on which the gear, the big gear is rolling over here, and the small gear, center point of a small gear having the velocity of VA is equal to 1.2 meter per second, we have to find out the VB. So first of all we have to calculate the angular velocity of the gear. So since we know that V is equal to R omega, so VA is equal to R. So what is the value of R? R is a CA into omega, then omega is equal to VA upon CA. value of VA is 1.2 meter, CA is this to this means 150 mm, this is 0.15, then we will get the value is 8 radian per second. See, here we are getting the origin point, point A, point B, and so that if we need to find out the velocity of B about the C, then we can write velocity of B C is equal to velocity of A C plus velocity of B respect to A about A. Then we can also write like this: VB is equal to VA VBA. Since we know that the V is equal to R omega, so VBA is equal to R omega. And what is the value of R? BA, B about A. So this is 100 mm, here to here 100 mm. So this is 0.1, this is omega is 8, so that will become the 0.8 VBA. So VBA is 0.8 plus VA is 1.2. Both are having the same direction. We can directly add together, then that will become the 2 meter per second. If we need to calculate the velocity of D, see, VA C point, A point, D point. We can write like VD about C is equal to VA about C plus VD about A. Means velocity of D with respect to C, velocity of A with respect to C, and here velocity of D with respect to A. So since we know V is equal to R omega, so VDA is equal to R omega. We know the value of R. What is the value of this? Velocity of VDA will be the this, and VA we know that VA respect to C. Then VD we will get the value summation of the both the vector VD. So R, this is 0.15 and omega is 8. This is 1.2 meter per second. And as we know that this is 1.2, this is also 1.2. What is the resultant of this? So we can write like VD is equal to 1.2 square plus 1.2 square to square root. Then we will get the value 144 plus 144 2.88. Then we will get the चलिए ये मैं डायरेक्टली मैंने कैलकुलेटर से कर दिया, तो 1.697 1.7 मीटर पर सेकेंड. देखिए तो हमें यहाँ पर VA पता था, हमें VA की वैल्यू VD निकालना था. हमने ये सेम कंसेप्ट फॉलो किया, वैल्यू निकाल ली. जब मैं V पता है, आर पता है तो ओमेगा निकाल सकते हैं, एंगुलर वेलोसिटी क्या होगी, जो एंगुलर वेलोसिटी इसकी होगी वही हमारे पास। अब देखिए इस पॉइंट की एंगुलर वेलोसिटी आर ये है, वी पता, एंगुलर वेलोसिटी पता है ओमेगा, और आर ये है हमारे पास, आर ओमेगा पता है तो वी निकाल सकते हैं, वी डी अबाउट ए। इसी तरीके से ओमेगा को निकाला, ओमेगा को निकालने के बाद में फिर हमने रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी कैलकुलेट की, रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी आ गई हमारी फर्स्ट आंसर, सेकंड, और देन इसके बाद में वीडीसी थर्ड आंसर। सो दिस इज द solution with the relative velocity method of this problem.